Hey everyone, it's Paul with Freedom Gorilla, and today we're going to cover Primary Arms lineup of pistol optics. Okay, so here are the pistol optics that are made by Primary Arms. What we're going to do is we're going to cover each one. They have an RMSc footprint one, an RMR footprint one, a Docter/Noblex footprint one, which comes with the Glock MOS plate, and a C-More footprint one, which also comes with a Glock MOS plate. Now I do also want to mention that the ACSS Vulcan optics from Holosun are a co-branded setup with Primary Arms and Holosun, but we are not going to cover those in this video. That's going to be a separate video. For this, we're just covering the optics that are made specifically by Primary Arms themselves. And just as a reminder, all the optics we cover in this video are available at the best price with free shipping at the link below and at our website, freedomgorilla.com. So Primary Arms has actually been making optics for quite a while, and some of these pistol optics they've had for a while, but they've also started coming out with some newer versions. And we like to see that because we want to see the marketplace be competitive, right? So we do appreciate when companies innovate and do cool stuff. So Primary Arms is one of those companies for sure. Now, their lineup can be a little confusing. The way Primary Arms has their good, better, best setup, even with their scopes and stuff, but even with these pistol optics, is they have a classic series, that's the lowest, cheapest series. Then they have the SLX series, that is their next step up. Then they have the GLX series, which is their highest tier. Now, quick fun fact, all these optics are made in China except this last one, the GLX. It's actually made from the Philippines. Okay, so let's get right into them and talk about a little bit features that they all have. Okay, so they all have lifetime warranties from Primary Arms. They all have night vision modes, and they all have shake awake. So the Classic Series RMR and the RS10 come with Picatinny mounts and the rubber cover. All right, so let's cover each optic. So the first one they have is the Micro Reflex Classic Series. This one is going to be the RMSc footprint, and it'll fit directly on something like a Glock 43X. And when you do look down, there is a co-witness there. It has a bottom-loaded battery, up to 40,000 hours of battery life, and then it has manual brightness modes on, you can raise it up and down, and also it has 6061 aluminum housing, and it has shake awake, which is nice, and it has the lifetime warranty. So again, this is kind of a nice super budget option at 150 bucks. The next one we'll talk about is the Classic Series Mini Reflex Sight. So this is the RMR footprint version. It has a bottom mounted battery. It has a low deck height. It has the buttons on the side. It has a 3 MOA dot. Now the RMR footprint means it'll fit on something like a PSA dagger, and basically that low deck height will allow you to co-witness quite a bit, depending on your iron sights, even if you had the low iron sights. So this one again has up to 40,000 hours of battery life, manual brightness modes, the red reticle, and then really it has the low deck height, and it has that thin bezel. Okay, so now let's talk about the RS10. This is going to be a 3 MOA red dot. It has a side removable battery. It has manual brightness modes. The RS10 also has a 7075 aluminum housing, which is nice. Now, this has a Docter footprint. So some of the PSA daggers have a Docter footprint. Some guns that you buy come with a Docter/Noblex adapter plate. But this will fit directly on a Docter/Noblex footprint. And it also comes with a Glock MOS plate. So if you have a Glock MOS, you can basically use this plate to attach this optic directly on your Glock MOS. And the RS10 comes in at around $199. Okay, so then the next one is going to be the RS15. This is going to come in two versions. It's going to have an ACSS Vulcan version, and then it's going to have a 3 MOA dot version only. So this again has a 7075 aluminum housing which is nice. We love to see it. The window is a little bit larger, which also is nice. It's not huge like the 507 comp, but it is a little bigger than like a 407C from Holosun. What is cool about this is it has a half MOA windage adjustment and elevation. So that's one of the most precise adjustments in a red dot for a pistol. But then the footprint, like I said, it's a C-More footprint, but it'll also fit on the SIG P320 or SIG P226 platform if it has the Romeo 1 Pro cut, which they all should by now. It has the top loading battery. It has manual brightness settings only. It does come with a Glock MOS plate as well. And the RS15 for the ACSS Vulcan model comes in at around $349, and the 3MOA dot comes in at around $299. And remember, this is made in the Philippines. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions, please let us know, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about these primary arms red dots, if you have experience with them, and please share your stories so we could help each other in the comments. And as always, these optics are available at the best price with free shipping at freedomgorilla.com and in the link below. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Have a good one.